eating was becoming a problem. They had to be glued in. Certain food you couldn't eat. Just was no way to be going on. The clinic was very friendly and welcoming. Attila was very nice, helpful, explained everything that was to be done. I felt at ease from sort of the first time I came. You know, I didn't know what to expect, but it was all good, all good. I got implants on the top, along with bridges, and on the bottom as well. The operation was fine. I was aware what was going on, but I didn't feel anything, which was good. No, I was very happy with the treatment. Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. I'd be able to eat more, probably have more confidence. Might even try smiling even more. Yeah, well pleased with them. I really would say to them to go for it. You know, there's no point in putting it off. I am so delighted now that I did it. It took me 2 years to finally make my mind up. But you're only putting off the inevitable. It just changes everything. So yeah, go for it.